Hi there, Karen. It's Marcy here recording the video for you. Now, I don't know what the heck's going on with these pictures here on your home page, but I've had that up for quite a bit and it seems to just want to spin. The other ones seem to be coming through, but that one, got some spinning going on. So maybe get whoever's handling that to take a look at that. And then I did also notice that your site's not secure. And more and more so now, Google is giving preference to sites that are secure. Okay, that aside, I'm going to try to be as quick as possible here. What I'm going to do is go over 3 things that you guys can do today to improve your rankings on Google, to get yourself more exposure on that first page, because it is statistically that's where most of the clicks are happening, and that's where most of the business is going, is the people that are showing up on the first page. So I had done a search for window installation is the keyword that I used. We've always got our paid ads here. This is the GMB or Google My Business listing, Maps listing. And then down here we call this the organic. Sites that appear here will be, you know, search engine optimization. The work that they've done is what gets them here. Age has a factor also. So I've taken just for as far as to show you what's going on behind the scenes with the backlinks. And use Van Isle because they were the #1 ranking of your competitors on the first page. So I'm going to go over content, citations, and backlinks back to your site. So content would be any of the information that you have showing on your home page. Words, pictures, so you can take pictures. Of course, the Google, when they go crawl, see it says services. So you want to name these pictures when you're putting them in there. You would, name it window installation. Window screens, okay, that one's better, because somebody that's searching for, if they're putting window screens in there, then Google has a way to show that that's something that you provide. Other than that, you can see we don't have content. It's one of the, probably biggest overlooked thing by business owners. They don't realize the importance and what that has to do with your ranking, because how else will Google know? They crawl the internet, and their goal is to keep people on their search engine because that's how they make money. So they are going to serve up the most relevant results. So they like to see on the home page probably 1,000 to 1,500 words. And as I said, it's huge with your rankings. Now, to move on to the backlinks, I've put your URL into this tool, which shows me what's going on behind the scenes, and kind of keep backlinks simple. What a backlink is a link from a third-party site coming into your site. So the internet is like a big popularity contest. When a site votes for you, aka gives you a link back to your site, that in turn moves your site up through the search engines. And it can't just be any link, like if you had a link from Pizza Hut, you don't deliver pizzas, so it's not relevant. So it's not going to carry them, it's not going to have them be the most powerful. It's not going to give you the biggest bump, right? You want to have links that are relevant to what it is that you do, are going to lend more credibility. So in your case here, you've got 16 other websites on the internet that are referring back to you, giving you 35 backlinks. You're being found for 59 words. So as I said, I did a comparison because they were on the front page, first page of Google. They've got 77 being found for 423 words. Then I'm going to move on here to your citations. Now, citations really help. As I was saying, the backlinks help to seem to be the biggest factor in helping sites to show up in the organic section down here. As far as the maps go, they tend to fall in line. You can see that Van Isle's there and Van Isle's showing up here also. But up here, another factor that really helps out is citations. So this is a citation. Any place that you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number is what is a citation. So I put your site again. Checked it out in a couple of tools, and this one here shows where you're placing from location. So if I'm searching and I'm out here in Sydney, you are showing up 18th, right? If I'm, sort of downtown Victoria, then you're showing up in the 6th position. to who did I find that was doing pretty good in that regards. So you can see when you're showing up a little bit more, they're showing up in the 1, 2, I mean obviously where you're wanting to be in the 1, 2, 3 spot. So people don't have to click any further. But that's the benefit of this. Now this is a citation finder. 99 times out of 100, when I'll put in the same search term, window installations, I'm going to find those 3 businesses that are in the top 3. They're going to be showing up in the top businesses here in this tool also. So the nice thing about this is you can go to me. You guys are in here, yep. Showing me that you've got 14. So if your top guy there has got 30, then what you want to do with all of these things, the content, the backlinks, and this, is just go out and do more. Right, and it's just a matter of time that then you're going to be outranking them because you beat them out in these key factors that go towards your ranking. So thank you, Karen, for taking my call and taking the time to watch this video. I'll follow up to make sure that you did receive it. I'm with Grow&Gain. My information will be in along with the video in my email. If you had any questions, certainly reach back out. I'm happy to answer them for you. Thank you, and take care.